Hi, so I just got my Christmas present from a friend, and it is a Phal haul from Hausermann Orchids. So here we go. Orchid number one, or Phal number one. So I ordered this on Christmas, I think, or a little bit before, and because they're in Chicago, obviously they've been having a lot colder temperatures in here, so it took a while for the temperatures to warm up enough for me to ship them. So that's why I'm kind of getting it a little bit late, but better safe. Sorry, I guess. This plastic paper. Okay, so here's orchid number one. And this is the Phal Mambo, which is Amboinensis crossed with Manii. And this one actually has a, I don't know if you can see down in there, but it looks like there's a cake or something growing down at the bottom. So awesome. Ooh, shit. Oh shit, I broke something in here. Well. Yeah, when I pulled it out by the top, I felt something snap in the middle, so hopefully it wasn't a flower spike, hopefully it was a root or something, or else I'm going to keep it with myself. Maybe it was a leaf or something, who knows. Yeah, I think I like broke the leaf a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, let me move this out of the way. Their summer bloomer, so it shouldn't have been a spike, but I was like still worried. I was like, I don't know. What did I break? I broke something right there. Okay. This is, as you can see, Phal Ting Shin Fly Eagle. Some people pronounce it Tying Shin, but I don't think that Chinese, in the Chinese language, you would pronounce it Tying. I think you would pronounce it Ting, but obviously I'm not Chinese, I'm not speak Chinese either, so yeah. Let's just open it from the front. So all these are really nicely packed and they don't feel cold or anything, so that's good. But they did ship with 2-day shipping. I'm just gonna take this stuff off over the trash that I have down here because it's a lot of stuff. But they shipped this with 2-day shipping, so it was out of Chicago really fast, and so I'm not expecting any cold damage. Yay! This is the one I really wanted, and it's huge. So this is Phal LD's Bear King RH3, and this is like an orange LD's Bear King, which is great. And I have 2 LD's Bear King crosses, which is my profile picture, and then I have a sibling of my profile picture orchid, which is purple, and they're great. So excited to have a pure LD's Bear King, because the ones I have are crossed with Ning Violacea, which is a mutual aid seed, crossed with a Violacea. This is the packing slip. And then the last one is, I think it's Phal KS Super Cobra, but it's a specific clone of it. Well, always open these from the bottom, because when you open them from the top, it's a bit of a mess. I'm also trying to speed through this because, as you may or may not be able to tell on the camera, the sun is setting. This since we're past the solstice, our days are getting longer, which is great. And the Phals are all dry, which is great. Or they're like maybe, well, the King Shin Flying Eagle is a little bit wet. And the Odie's Bear King is a little bit wet. Actually, they're all a little bit wet, but there's no cold damage because it was 2-day shipping, so I'm not too worried about that. But let me give it a close up. So Phal KS Super Zebra, I hope this is chopped off and it's the Pilo clone like it was referencing on the website, but I guess we shall see. If I didn't get the clone that I wanted, hopefully it comes out looking like, I don't know, more red than white because it's a red and white Phal. So here's the KS Super Zebra, the King Shin Fly Eagle, the Phalaenopsis Mambo, which is Amboinensis crosopanii, and then we have the LD's Bear King RH3. And at the end, I'm going to put the pictures of the orchids. And so here they've included a Phalaenopsis culture sheet, which is great for beginners, but really useless for me. But I appreciate it. And there's this in the package, so it tells you who packaged it, and it tells you to go visit the website. And I guess if because on the website you can say whether or not you want substitutions, so I guess this is where they'll tell you what happened with that. Oh, what's this? Oh, a bit of heat back in there. And it's still warm, which is great. But this also going in the trash. And that is it. My babies! Thanks to Katrina for getting me this Christmas present. I really love it. I hope the Christmas present that I gave you was just as good as the one you gave me. Bye!